Electricity used to be simple. Power plants generated it, and homes simply consumed it. But that model is changing fast. Today, many houses are becoming mini power stations, producing their own solar energy, storing it in batteries, and using smart software to control when electricity is used or sold back to the grid. Behind this transformation is a new generation of energy technology companies. One of the fastest growing among them is Fox ESS. And if you've never heard of it before, this video will explain exactly what it is, how the technology works, and why it's becoming a major player in the future of home energy. Fox ESS is a renewable energy technology company founded in 2019. Its headquarters are in Wenzhou, China, and in just a few years, it has expanded rapidly across Europe, the UK, Australia, and North America. The company focuses on two key pieces of energy technology: solar inverters, energy storage batteries. These two devices form the core of modern home solar systems. But one factor that makes Fox ESS particularly interesting is its connection to a major global industrial group called Tsingshan. Tsingshan is one of the world's largest producers of nickel and stainless steel, and it also holds significant lithium resources. Why does that matter? Because lithium and nickel are critical materials used in battery manufacturing. Access to these materials helps stabilize supply chains and allows large-scale battery production, something that has become extremely important as demand for energy storage continues to grow worldwide. Today, Fox ESS manufactures hundreds of thousands of inverters and large volumes of battery storage systems every year. At the center of every solar energy system is a device called the inverter. If solar panels are the muscles of the system, the inverter is the brain. Here's why. Solar panels generate electricity in the form of direct current, also known as DC power, but homes use alternating current, or AC power. This means the electricity produced by solar panels cannot be used directly inside the house. The inverter performs the critical job of converting DC electricity into AC electricity, so it can power lights, appliances, and electronics. Modern systems go a step further. Many Fox ESS inverters are called hybrid inverters. A hybrid inverter does three jobs at once: managing solar generation, charging the battery, supplying electricity to the home. This type of design is called a DC-coupled system. Instead of converting electricity multiple times between AC and DC, energy can move more efficiently between solar panels and the battery. Fewer conversions mean less energy loss and higher efficiency. Fox ESS produces several inverter families designed for different homes. For example, the H1 series is commonly used in residential systems. It supports solar panels, batteries, and grid connection all in one device. For larger properties or commercial systems, Fox ESS offers the H3 series, which supports three-phase electrical systems and higher power output. The inverter also manages important safety functions and communicates with the battery and monitoring software. Solar panels generate electricity during the day, but most homes use the most electricity in the evening when people return from work. Without storage, much of the solar energy generated during the day would simply be exported back to the grid. This is where battery storage becomes essential. A solar battery stores excess energy so it can be used later, often at night or during peak electricity prices. Fox ESS batteries use a chemistry called lithium iron phosphate, also known as LFP. This battery type is widely considered one of the safest lithium battery technologies. Compared to other lithium batteries, LFP cells offer better thermal stability, lower fire risk, long cycle life. Many Fox ESS batteries are rated for around 6,000 charge cycles, which can translate into more than 15 years of daily use. One of the company's most distinctive features is its modular battery design. Instead of installing a single large battery, systems can be built using stackable modules. For example, the Energy Cube system allows batteries to be stacked vertically. A homeowner might start with a small configuration, perhaps around 5 or 6 kilowatt-hours of storage. Later, if their energy needs increase, they can add additional battery modules. This could happen after purchasing an electric vehicle or installing a heat pump. By stacking additional modules, total storage capacity can grow to 20 kilowatt-hours or more. This modular approach gives homeowners flexibility without replacing the entire system. While modular systems offer flexibility, the market has also seen a growing demand for all-in-one energy systems. These systems integrate multiple components into a single unit. Fox ESS developed products like the EVO series to meet this demand. An all-in-one system combines the inverter, the battery, and the energy management electronics inside a single enclosure. This simplifies installation and reduces wiring complexity. Some systems also feature sleek industrial designs intended to be installed in visible areas such as garages or utility rooms. For larger homes, Fox ESS also offers systems designed for whole-home backup power. These units can support larger solar arrays and higher electrical loads. Hardware alone is not enough to run a modern energy system. Software plays an increasingly important role. Fox ESS systems connect to a monitoring platform called FoxCloud. This software allows homeowners to see exactly how their energy system is performing. Through a smartphone app or web dashboard, users can monitor solar power generation, battery charge levels, household electricity consumption, energy imported from the grid. The system updates in near real time, often every few seconds. But monitoring is only part of the story. Modern energy systems are also becoming intelligent energy managers. FoxCloud includes features that analyze electricity tariffs and forecast solar production using weather data. In regions with dynamic electricity pricing, the system can automatically decide when to charge the battery from the grid and when to discharge it. For example, electricity might be very cheap late at night but expensive in the early evening. The software can charge the battery when electricity is cheap and then power the home during expensive peak hours. This type of automation helps maximize the financial benefit of the system. Another key feature of many Fox ESS systems is backup power capability. Most hybrid inverters include a feature called Emergency Power Supply, or EPS. During a grid outage, the system can disconnect from the utility grid and continue powering selected circuits in the home. This transition can happen extremely quickly, often in just a few milliseconds. That speed is fast enough to keep many electronic devices running without interruption. Depending on the size of the battery and inverter, a home could continue powering essential loads such as refrigerators, lighting, internet routers, and basic appliances. This capability is becoming increasingly valuable as extreme weather events and grid disruptions occur more frequently around the world. Fox ESS is not just building solar batteries. The company is gradually expanding into a complete home energy ecosystem. One example is EV charging. Fox ESS produces electric vehicle chargers that can connect directly to the solar and battery system. In certain operating modes, the charger will prioritize excess solar energy that would otherwise be exported to the grid. This allows electric vehicles to be charged directly from solar power. Another area of expansion is heat pump technology. Heat pumps can heat homes and water using electricity rather than gas. When combined with solar power and batteries, this creates a more integrated low-carbon energy system. In this model, the home becomes an intelligent energy hub where electricity generation, storage, heating, and transportation are all connected. Energy systems around the world are undergoing a major transformation. For more than a century, electricity flowed in one direction, from centralized power plants to homes. But renewable energy technologies are decentralizing the grid. Millions of homes now generate electricity through rooftop solar panels. Adding battery storage allows that energy to be used more efficiently. This shift reduces pressure on national electricity networks and increases energy resilience. It also allows households to protect themselves from rising electricity prices. Companies like Fox ESS are helping enable this shift by developing technologies that combine solar generation, energy storage, smart energy management. Fox ESS may be a relatively young company, but it represents a larger trend in the global energy transition.